And welcome to Tuesday. Here we are with another great workout for you. We are going to do 2 rounds in our warm-up today of 1 minute row or 1 minute run. This could be in place if you have a rower at home. Some of you do. You can jump on that rower or a treadmill and just work for 1 minute as a warm-up. 10 up downs, 15 glute bridge ups, 10 jumps landing in the power position, partial squat. Okay, so you're going to want to watch the demo videos for that. That's just landing in a absorbing the impact position. Okay, so you're just kind of like using your legs to kind of sit down when you land in that squat position. Okay, we're going to go through 2 rounds of this at a warm-up pace, so don't try and blow this out of the water. You're just trying to get your body ready to go. Okay, let's check out our workout today. For today, our workout is going to be a wonderful EMOM. So we have an 18-minute EMOM here. We are going 1, 2, 3 stations in this EMOM. Every 3 minutes, we'll go back to the beginning. Okay, minute 1, 15 backpack jumping squats. Now, if you have some sort of knee injury or posterior chain issue, you can just do regular squats here. You can do unweighted jumping squats, and to make it a little bit spicy, you can add some weight to these jumping squats. Now, these could be dumbbells that you hold in your hands. This could be a backpack on your back or holding something on your chest, whatever you got to do to get it done. Okay, so there's kind of the levels there. So you can go from regular squats or assisted squats where you're using a chair or a box to regular jumping squats to weighted jumping squats. Okay, minute 2, 15 backpack hang power cleans. Hang means that the weight is off the ground, so you're holding it the whole time. You're jump shrugging and catching it in the front rack position. So if you have dumbbells, this is a great dumbbell workout, or if you have a barbell at home, you can just do regular barbell hang power cleans. Okay, nice and quick. Then going into minute 3, 15 up downs. Now if you find yourself creeping towards the 60-second mark for this, feel free on subsequent rounds to back these numbers down. Okay, so maybe only 10 is your number. It gives you about 20-second rest before you move on to the next station. Okay, so just make sure that you are adjusting this according to your level. There is no after bash today. There's no optional work today. This is it, 18 minutes of work. This is going to be a good workout, so just concentrate on your form here. Don't worry about going too fast, but you do want a little buffer between each minute, okay? So let's get to it. Watch the movement demos.